how to get the microwave filter on TikTok. So if you want to get the microwave filter on your TikTok, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your TikTok application at first. After opening a TikTok, now you need to go with search, which is on the top right. And here you need to search for microwave filter. After searching for the microwave filter, here you will have all of the microwave filters. So tap on the video that has the microwave filter in it. And here on the bottom left, you will have CapCut try this template section. So tap on it and it will take you to the CapCut. So tap on use template in CapCut, which is on the bottom. And it will take you to your CapCut. It will open up the template. Or you can also open up your CapCut instead of your Facebook. And here also you need to search for microwave filter. And then you'll find the microwave filter. Tap on it and then tap on use template, which is on the bottom. And select the videos that you've added to your template. After that, tap on next. Wait for the effect to load. And that's it. That's how you can add microwave filter. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.